Hello, my name's Sarah Alexander and I'm the MyFarm Commercial Manager. Today I'm going to show you the movements page in my account. The movements page makes it really easy to monitor deliveries on and off the farm. From MyFarm, click on My Account. Once My Account's open, click on the movements page here in the middle. Data for the next 30 days and the last 30 days will be loaded, so you can see all planned movements and all moved movements within that time period. So here you can see spring oats that are due to be moved imminently, and here you can see other crop protection products, for example, that have already been moved. At the moment I'm looking at a view that shows all movements, irrespective of whether they're planned or moved. If I wish to refine it, I can go to the Planned tab and see all planned movements, so I can really plan my resources to make sure that I'm aware that there's a lorry coming to pick these products up. Or I can go to the moved movements and look at things that have been delivered onto farm or moved recently out of the farm. I can also look back historically, and to do that, first of all, I'm going to click on All. And then I'm going to change the date filter by clicking in the date range box. Here I'm going to select 2024 and then click OK. As you'll see, movements have been loaded for a range of different products. I can filter them down to make it easier for me to find what I'm looking for. In this case, I'm going to search for feed wheat by typing feed wheat into this product box in the centre. Now it's much clearer for me to see what I'm looking for. If I scroll down the screen, I can browse through the movements that I've found. And for example, I can click on this accordion, this down arrow, and I can view the quality headings of the grain that was moved on that particular occasion. So it shows me the moisture, the admixture, and so on for that particular movement. Anywhere you see an icon like this, it suggests that there is a PDF, an invoice or a contract or a document behind that particular button. So here, if I click on the PDF button, it will show me the contract. Here, it will show me the self-bill. And if I click here, it will show me any claims, any credit notes. So just to show you what I mean, if I click on this particular invoice, up will appear the self-bill. I can print that out if I wish by clicking the print button. I'm going to close that down and go back to the screen. You saw me type into here the feed wheat search. Be aware that any of these columns are searchable, so it makes it really, really easy for you to look for something specific. For example, if you had a particular contract number whose movements you were wanting to find, you could simply type that contract number into this box and the movements for that contract would be shown. If you have any questions about movements or you'd like to know any more about what's coming with my account, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team on the number or the email that's shown. Thank you.